The Texas Supreme Court unanimously rejected a challenge to the state's near-total abortion ban. 20 women and 2 doctors argued the laws blocked access to the procedure despite extreme pregnancy complications. The justices ruled there is nothing unconstitutional about how the laws address medical exceptions. Fox 4's Stephen Dial heard from multiple women in the case and is live in studio with more. Stephen.
Heather, the plaintiffs in the case talked about their complications leading to some of them leaving the state to get an abortion. They argue Texas doesn't care about the health of mothers experiencing complications.
I'm very sad.
One by one, plaintiffs in the Zarowski versus Texas case reacted to the state Supreme Court ruling Friday.
This ruling feels like a gut punch. Not just for pregnant Texans, but also for doctors.
As a Texan, I've never felt more expendable.
The Republican court unanimously rejected the largest challenge to the state's near-total abortion ban.
I'm terrified for women in Texas.
The case started with 5 women arguing the law prevented them from getting medical care during pregnancy complications. 17 more plaintiffs later joined the suit.
He was missing not just a limb, but he was also missing vital organs. He was missing genitalia.
My baby Emma was diagnosed with fetal ansacara, which was a fatal condition to her, and it risked my health.
The opinion said a lower court ruling in favor of the plaintiffs departed from the law as written without constitutional justification. It also said doctors are wrong to claim that current law blocks them from performing abortions, even when serious or life-threatening medical conditions exist. Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton reacted to the news saying, "I will continue to defend the law enacted by the legislature and uphold the values of the people of Texas by doing everything in my power to protect mothers and babies." In December, the same court rejected a separate case on similar grounds. Kate Cox left the state and got an abortion before the court ruled. She was invited to the State of the Union months later as President Biden and Democrats call for a federal law codifying a woman's right to choose. The Center for Reproductive Rights says they will continue to fight for their clients and other women in Texas.
Pregnancy complications should be managed by doctors, not courts.
Recently, the Texas Medical Board proposed further abortion guidance. Some doctors are still critical, saying it does not spell out what they can and cannot do.
All right, Stephen Dial in studio. Thank you.